Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know the ways to move Google Photos to laptop. In order to move Google Photos to laptop, you need to follow the simple steps. Open up your browser and on the web address bar type in photos.google.com. Now when you open up your photos.google.com, this is going to allow you to download photos one after the another, not all at once. But then if you want to transfer all the photos at once, then you need to press the profile icon from the top right, go to manage your Google account, and you can do this procedure through a Google Takeout. So you need to go to data and privacy. Once you go to data and privacy, you need to scroll down a bit, go to apps and services. Then press the arrow icon and locate Google Photos. When you locate Google Photos, you can see you have 173 photos. So press the download button and you need to follow the prompt. Basically do all sort of details here. And with this, you can go ahead and move Google Photo to laptop. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.